Sardano, she's back, yeah. Okay. I will do a 20-minute encore. It's dangerous being the sound man. Everybody watches your every move. Stop your swearing. I don't need an echo of my silent thoughts. I beg you to be safe. Don't complain, 'cause my ears cannot hold your anger. They're still full of yesterdays. Easter baskets full of guns and chocolate line the hallways of department stores, and I can't say all these strays, and my ears cannot hold your anger. They're still full of yesterdays. You could cradle my exhaustion or teach it to behave, and all my good deeds never made it to the spreadsheet where you keep track of faults and flaws. Spread all the love that is in your budget. Don't waste interest on ancient grudges. I can't say all these strays, sorry, and my ears cannot hold your anger. They're still full of yesterdays. You could cradle my exhaustion or teach it to be